Thanks. All right, so we just launched 1 week ago on Tuesday, and we switched over from Blackboard. We had something called iPrinceton, and we had apps. So now we are mobile only. We do have shell apps in the Google Play and in the Apple App Store, but they are very, very small shell applications. And so we are telling everybody that m.princeton.edu is available across all platforms on any modern browser, and that is true. So let's take a look at it. We went with the list view. This was partly a political decision on my part because everybody wanted to be on the first page of the Springboard. So now, of course, everybody wants to be at the top of the list. So it didn't solve all problems, but we do have the tablet and the laptop or desktop UI as well. So we're still working on who gets to be at the top, but it's working out okay. We do now have analytics, which is one of the reasons also that we switched over to Kurogo, and so that will help us make decisions in the future. Transit is something that's also very popular, as is dining, but map and directory were also very important. And boy, we just could not have news and events be further down on the list. That was just too important for PR at Princeton, so those stay near the top. So there's our nice list, and I will show you the map. And boy, when I was talking with NYU last night and thought about what we had to go through to get this map correct, and now they have to deal with 3 maps. There are 3 permanent campuses. I was having palpitations. I just really feel for them. But so there's our map. It uses ArcGIS. It does not use Google Maps. We're very proud of that because we have full control, which is another reason why we moved to Kurogo. So we own the code, but we also work with Modo. And Modo developed our library module, which you can see here. We did develop a few of our own modules. We developed, for example, the dining module, and we have allergen and nutrition information as well. Also important, Harvard mentioned this, that our students are also very concerned about allergen information. We even show carbon, how carbon friendly the food is. Does it have a low, medium, or high carbon footprint? Then I'll show you an example too of one of the stops on one of our tours. We developed a tours module. We wanted to have a tours module that could show multiple tours. So we have one module showing, right now we have 4 tours. We'll be adding more. We have an appointment with another department next week. In fact, people are pretty excited about tours. Like many college campuses, it's a popular place to visit, so tours are popular. This is our tablet view, and I have a lot of notes, but I'm very cognizant of the time, and so I'll take questions if anybody has any. Okay. Oh, yes.
Does your ArcGIS instance do geolocation?
Yes. So, right, Kevin, developer. I am the project manager, by the way, not a developer. Luckily, the developers are here. So we are getting ready to work on a project with our architect's office so that we can show from here to there directions, and ArcGIS does handle that. So our challenge is how do we take that information and then make that work very nicely in Kurogo. So we've been very focused on launching, and boy, were we happy that Kurogo lets us just do that in Google for now. So we just let that work. But, we do want to do that in ArcGIS. So, yeah, and it does have that capability. Thanks.
Thank you.